Winter comfort meets modern design with electric fireplace heaters. These innovative appliances transform any space into a cozy retreat, combining warmth with stunning visual effects. Today's video explores the top 3 electric fireplace heaters that stand out in quality, performance, and value. Before we begin, make sure to check the links in the description for the best current prices and detailed specifications of all products featured in this video. Starting with number 3, let's examine the Joy Pebble electric fireplace stove. This compact powerhouse delivers impressive performance in a space-saving design. Standing at 24 inches tall and weighing just 24.3 pounds, it fits perfectly in any room without overwhelming the space. What sets this model apart is its rapid heating capability, warming your space in just 3 seconds. The temperature control system offers exceptional versatility, allowing adjustments between 50 and 99 degrees Fahrenheit. When it comes to visual appeal, this fireplace creates an immersive atmosphere with 4 distinct flame colors and matching bed colors. Each element can be customized with 5 brightness levels and flame speeds. Features you'll appreciate: efficient heating coverage up to 450 square feet, adjustable power settings from 500 watts to 1500 watts, built-in safety features, including overheat protection, multiple flame effect customization options, portable design with convenient remote control. Moving on to our second place contender, the Duraflame freestanding electric fireplace stove. Its traditional design includes authentic touches like side-viewing windows and a genuine opening glass door. This model stands out with its superior heating capacity, effectively warming spaces up to 1,000 square feet. The infrared heating technology maintains natural humidity levels in your room, creating a more comfortable environment. This fireplace doubles as a year-round decoration since you can operate the flame effects independently from the heat function. The realistic flame patterns and glowing logs create an authentic fireplace experience without the maintenance hassles of a traditional hearth. Key features that make it special: impressive 1,000 square foot heating coverage, independent flame and heat controls, adjustable thermostat for precise temperature control, portable design for flexible placement, energy-efficient supplemental heating option. Now for our top pick, the electric fireplace heater. The realistic flame effects and 3D log design create an authentic fireplace experience, while the mantle provides practical storage and display space. What makes this our #1 choice? Its versatility and practical design set it apart. The dual heating system offers both 750 watt and 1500 watt settings, perfect for rooms up to 400 square feet. The premium magnesium oxide construction ensures durability and stability, while the modern design complements any home decor style. This fireplace transforms into an entertainment center, offering a perfect solution for those seeking both style and functionality. Standout features worth noting: premium construction with magnesium oxide material, dual heat settings for energy efficiency, ETL certification for safety assurance, convenient remote control operation, versatile design with TV stand functionality. Conclusion: each of these electric fireplace heaters offers unique benefits, but our top pick stands out for its combination of style, functionality, and versatility. Remember to consider your space requirements and heating needs when making your selection. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this review helpful, show some love by hitting that like button, subscribing, and ringing the notification bell.